Alright, in the previous video we had just joined a Teams meeting. And I'm going to show you guys some of the cool features about having Teams while you're in the meeting. The first thing I want to show you is this. You can actually see the participants in the meeting by selecting that. Right, so you can see currently in the meeting is myself and the test account. Right, you can actually invite someone. So if we wanted to, I can invite. The funny part is it will actually call them when you invite someone. Their Teams will ring and tell them that they've been invited. I'm not sure if Jamie knows I'm inviting her, but you know, she might not have her phone on. But we'll see if she joins. So anyways, in addition to talking, we can actually chat. So we can text each other by selecting this button here. Right? You can type different things. I can send jiffies over through the chat box. Right? There's a button here for meeting notes. So if I actually want to take some notes down, I can take those notes here. And the good thing about it is other team members can actually, you know, see the same notes that I'm taking for this meeting. If I want to go to full screen, I can do a full screen by selecting this button. Let's make this go away by selecting it twice. And this is the full screen right here. Let's go back to the smaller screen so I can see other things. If I want to screen share, let's say, you know, as a test account, I created this awesome birthday card, right? And I want to show it off a little bit, right? Show it off to the rest of the group. What I can do is I can screen share by selecting this button right here. I have two options. I can either share everything you see on my screen, or I can share just the screen that I want to share, which is the document, or, you know, share any other window that might be opened on my computer. With the window option, the audience will not see anything else except for what you select. With the desktop option, the audience will see anything that's on your screen. So let's go ahead and select the window option. Let's say we want to share that document. And you see that red boundary around it, right? So now my account will not be able to see anything but this document. Let's go ahead and jump over to my account so you can see what the audience can see. Okay, and this is what the audience can see. Again, they can only see the document. They cannot see the entire computer, just the document. Let's say I want control to make some edits. All I have to do is just request control. And now let's go ahead and jump back to the test account. And you can see here, Paul Elakin is requesting control. You can either approve, deny, or just stop presenting altogether. And I'll go ahead and approve it. And from there, from my computer, I can basically edit this document. Okay. In order to stop sharing, I just simply need to select that share tray icon again, and the sharing stops. If I want to record the meeting, I can select the the action button, and I can say start recording. And you can see here, this is going to turn red, indicating that I'm recording. It lets you know, let everyone know they're being recorded. Just a little disclaimer there. And from here, anything that I say, well, assuming my mic was on, anything that I say or view will actually be recorded. And I can save that recording for later. So if you're working on like a complicated configuration or something like that, you can actually record the entire thing. And while you're in the meeting, if you're experiencing some audio issue, you can always click this wheel here in the settings pane. And from here, you can actually indicate your speaker and your microphone and your camera, right? That's usually the first place you want to look if you're having audio issues. Obviously, you want to check your taskbar as well. Make sure that you have the proper setting. But generally, start from here and then work your way to this section. Virtual machine does not have any speaker or microphone. That's why it's grayed out. All right, to stop recording, select the button again and hit stop recording. If there's something that you guys have any questions about, definitely let me know. I'll be more than happy to tell you how to do it or look into it and give you the answer. So yeah, that's pretty much Teams in a nutshell, people. Definitely play around with it, enjoy it. It's a really great tool. Collaborate with it. It really helps your productivity. I think it's a great tool to use constantly. Definitely want to have it on your phone so you can get the full use of it. Integrate it with your calendar on your phone. It's really good to keeping up with your tasks and things like that. All right. See you on the next one.